What's up, fellow growers? Let's talk a little bit about brewing compost tea today. This is a really important thing, and what we're going to go over is the bell curve. So, essentially, what's going on when you're brewing the compost tea is there's many factors that affect it: temperature, barometric pressure, even humidity, things of that nature, the quality of the water that you're using, the quality of the compost that you're using. See, that's very important. That's why we recommend the bison brew. It's got 30% more indigenous microorganisms and more diversity than, say, cow compost and other good quality compost that's out there. And the other great thing is you can actually use the alpha grease, the gold, the blue, and some of our other products along with unsulfured molasses as your food source to brew it. And see, the cool thing about brewing compost tea is it's dynamic. Like I said, it matters those environmental factors. The temperature of the water is very important as well as the ambient temperature outside. And what you want is a good like 68 to 72 degrees, something like that, for temperature. And then you ideally want to add in about 2 cups of the bison brew per 4 gallons of water, and then 2 tablespoons of unsulfured molasses as well. You can also add these products for even additional benefit because the microbes are going to get stimulated off of the additional energy and some of the beneficial compounds that's in these products too. So essentially, the brewing process, let's think about this for a second. You're creating the perfect environment. You're giving them all the resources. And then what you're doing is you're saying, grow, grow, grow. You're actually providing the ideal circumstance to make your own fertilizer. Because all that beneficial bacteria, fungus, protozoa, nematodes, all these beneficial things for your garden, they're like the ambulance coming in to support the garden and actually to work together and take substances from one place to another and deliver things that need to get done, and all of a sudden all the plant's firing on full cylinders. Beyond that, the plant, it's been shown that the plant can even eat the bacteria themselves. So you're laying that beneficial bacteria down onto your plants. They're taking that up and they have better diversity now. And then the coolest thing is you then eat those plants, or your animals eat those plants. They then have that diversity inside of them. They become more healthy as well. It helps their immune system and everything. So it's all tied together. It's really incredible. And what the cool thing that you're doing is you're taking a small bag like this, 4 pounds, and through this process, you're doing a quantum leap and you're literally exponentially growing this thing up onto the bell curve, harvesting it at the top of the bell curve where all these communities are flourishing, taking that benefit and putting the full benefit out into your garden. See, that's what it's all about. And that's how you're able to harness more secondary metabolites, beneficial compounds for yourself, for your own health, that's going to fight disease and things like that. And basically give you the healthiest possible plants. Healthier plants equals healthier people. And this goes all the way up and all the way down. Healthier plants also equals healthier soil. And it's a self-perpetuating cycle. The compost tea is actually the most efficient way for farmers, gardeners, and just people that are passionate about plants to get that biology back onto the plants so that they can defend themselves, they can be living their best life, and actually it saves you time and money too because they're in the ground working for you. They're on top of the plants, in the plants. This is really interesting. Take an orange. Where is the most nutritional part of the orange? It's in the rind. Why is it in the rind? Because that's where all the endophytes, that's where all the beneficial bacteria actually live, in the orange that you eat. When you eat that orange, the sugar and water is in the pulp. The beneficial micronutrients and all the really good stuff is in the living life that's in that fruit itself. So the same analogy applies all the way down to your lettuces. when you're applying that great biology back onto the plants, that biology is getting into you. It's so exciting and so invigorating. And you really will feel your best too. When you brew with Bison Brew and when you brew aerated, actively aerated compost teas about once every week or once every other week and apply that onto your garden. Thank you so much and have an awesome day. Please like and subscribe to our channel and please share this with all your friends so that we can all be super healthy, defend ourselves, defend our plants in a natural and progressive way. Appreciate you.